Grade 9. So, this is part 3 nung video natin about quadratic function. So, pwede mong i-ask yung sarili mo, paano kapag ka naka-standard form, kailangan ba lagi kong gawing vertex form para makuha ko yung vertex niya na mas madali? Meron pa po tayong isa pang method, that is using this formula. We have h equals negative b over 2a and k equals 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Pwede mo gamitin yung mga formula na to know the vertex of a quadratic function kapag naka-standard form siya and ayaw mong mag-change ng standard to vertex or medyo nalilito ka doon. So, pwedeng ito yung another method. So, let's try to identify first the value of a, b, and c para hindi tayo malito. So, your function here is f of x equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. Naka-standard form naman na siya. So, I'll just get the value of a, which is, a is positive 3. Value of b is your linear coefficient, so that is negative 6. And the value of c, which is your constant, is positive 2. So, from here, substitute lang po dun sa ating formula. So, let's start with h. So, h equals negative, value of b is negative 6 all over 2 times a, which is 3. Negative 6, that will be positive 6 all over 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, the value of h is 1. Kunin naman natin yung value ng k. The formula for k is 4ac minus b squared all over 4a, or substitute, mamaya na pala, or substitute muna natin. So, we'll have 4 times a, which is 2, times, which is 3, times c, which is 2, minus b squared, which is negative 6 squared, all over 4 times a, which is 3. So, simplify lang natin to. We will have 4 times 3 times 2. So, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Minus negative 6 squared is positive 36. All over 4 times 3 is positive 12. So, from here, we will have 24 and negative 36. That is negative 12 all over 12. Negative 12 and positive divided by positive 12 is negative 1. So, from here, the vertex of the function is, lagi mo start kay h. So, that is positive 1 and negative 1. Now, yung value ng k, sa totoo lang, pwede natin kunin aside from this, using this formula. Pwede kang gawin natin ay i-substitute natin yung nakuha nating value ng h, which is 1. So, we will just get the value of f of 1. So, here's another method. So, what will you do is, kunin mo lang yung value ng f of 1. So, if I want to get the value of f of 1, substitute ko lang yung 1 sa bawat value ng x dito sa ating original function. So, we will have 3 times 1 square minus 6 times 1 plus 2. Angat ko lang. We will have f of 1 is 3 times 1 square is 1 minus 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2. So, from here, you will have f of 1 equals 3 times 1 is 3 minus 6 plus 2. Combine ko lang yung like term. So, that will be 3 plus 2, which is 5 minus 6. So, f of 1 equals negative 1. So, if you will notice, pareho naman yung makukuha nating value ng k.